So guys, this video we will see Amazon Aurora. Okay, so um, Amazon Aurora is a fully managed relational database service from AWS, designed for high performance, availability, and scalability. So this Amazon Aurora mainly designed for high performance, availability, and scalability. So in detail, we'll see. It is compatible with two widely used open source database engines, that is nothing but MySQL and PostgreSQL. Okay, which means you can use Aurora with application already built for those databases without much change. So you can use this Amazon Aurora for application already built with MySQL and PostgreSQL. Okay, so in detail, we'll see features like high performance. Amazon Aurora is designed to be fast and reliable, providing up to 5 times the performance of standard in MySQL and up to 3 times that of standard PostgreSQL. Basically, when you use MySQL, so if you use this Aurora with that, it gives 5 times faster. Likewise, for PostgreSQL, 3 times faster. Okay, so it automatically scales its storage up to 128 TB as your database grows. In case the application requires more space, so this will automatically scales up to 128 TB and it uses replication across multiple availability zones for high throughput and lower latency. So this will replicate the data in multiple availability zones. So what happens if you replicate in multiple availability zones? High throughput. High throughput means, for example, you're deploying it in, like you're replicating in multiple availability zones. So close to that availability zone, people who are using that, if they get that, they will get the data faster. Okay, low latency, which means performance is faster. Okay, high performance. The next is high availability of fault tolerance. So Aurora automatically replicates data across three availability zones with 6 copies of your data, which provides strong durability and availability. It automatically replicates data across three availability zones. Automatically it will happen. Okay. So in three availability zones, automatically it will replicate with 6 copies of your data, which provides strong durability and availability. In case of failure, Aurora can automatically fail over to a standby replica, ensuring minimal downtime for multi-availability zone deployment. Failover typically takes less than a minute. Okay, and this is compatible with MySQL and PostgreSQL. Aurora supports the same query syntax and tools as MySQL and PostgreSQL, which makes it easy to migrate existing applications with minimal modification. Okay, so this compatibility allows developers to use the same libraries and connectors, simplifying the application integration. Okay, it's very easy for the developer because this is same syntax like MySQL and PostgreSQL Aurora use. So it's easier to migrate. Also, since it's compatible, it's allow developer to use the same library and connectors. Okay, what the MySQL and PostgreSQL are using. And next point is Aurora serverless. Aurora offers a serverless option that automatically adjusts database capacity based on application needs, which is cost effective for variable workloads. Aurora offers serverless application option that automatically adjusts database capacity. Okay, so since it is like offers serverless. Okay, so or by using this will automatically adjust the database capacity based on your application needs. Okay, so which is cost effective for variable workloads. It's ideal for application with unpredictable or infrequent workloads. So wherever the application, for example, your application you don't know what is the space and like how much workload, how much traffic it may come. So in that situation, you can go for Aurora. Okay, as you only pay for database capacity you actually use. So this will automatically scale the capacity, right? So whatever this capacity means capacity means space you use for that only you want to pay. Okay. Global database. So Amazon Aurora can be set up as a global database. You can set this Aurora as global database as well. So that by using allowing you to deploy a single Aurora database across multiple AWS regions, this enables disaster recovery and low latency read access from anywhere in the world. Okay. So replication across regions typically takes under a second, making it suitable for real-time applications with a global user base. Okay, which means Amazon Aurora can be set up as a global database. Okay, so allowing you to deploy a single Aurora database across multiple AWS regions. So this enables disaster recovery and low latency. You deploy multiple, many people can different world they can use close to that region by this low latency, which means faster performance, read access from anywhere in the world. Okay. Replication across regions typically takes under a second. So the replication, whatever happens there, it takes under a second. For example, I do a read operation with the primary database. Okay, so the replication, whatever happens, right, it happens in second, making it suitable for real-time application with a global user base. So this Aurora, you can use it for wherever the application is demands real-time live data processing, real-time data processing. So there you can use this Aurora for global user base. Best example would be PUBG game. Okay, so I'm here, a guy somewhere in some US or I'm in Ireland. Some people maybe in USA. We are using we both are connected. So in seconds, that data replication will happen. Okay. Advanced security features. So here also it uses integrates with AWS. AWS Identity and Access Management, which means AWS Key Management Service for encryption. So basically, KMS we use for the data encryption. Okay, and IAM for access control. Whom to allow, whom not to, whom to restrict. And AWS CloudTrail for logging. So CloudTrail basically we will use for logging. So with Aurora we have advanced security features like IAM, whom to allow, whom not to allow, AWS key management for encryption, basically to store your sensitive data when we encrypt it. Okay, and AWS CloudTrail for logging. So why do we log? In case if any problem occurs or troubleshoot. So basically, when it happened, how it happened, how to resolve. So all those list login details we capture in the cloud trail. So it supports encryption and trust and in transit. So it's ensuring your data is secure. Okay. You can also isolate your Aurora database within Amazon VPC for enhanced network security. So you can use this Aurora in your VPC as well. In my previous video, I created a separate playlist explaining about VPC, Virtual Private Cloud. So if you haven't watched that video, please give some time to go through that video and come back here so that you get a clear idea what is a VPC means. Okay, we'll see use cases for Amazon Aurora. Enterprise applications. In simple term, business applications. Okay, so Aurora highly available and compatible, make it ideal for large scale applications such as enterprise resource planning and customer relationship management. So ERP is basically to run a business. So for this application and customer relationship management, you know, to deal with the customer like what they need. So all for this kind of application, enterprise application, we use it and web and mobile apps. So Aurora is popular choice for back-end database supporting content management like social media, e-commerce application due to its scalability and fault tolerance. Okay. SaaS application. So with its SaaS means software as a service. Okay. So means there are many cloud providers like AWS, Google, Microsoft. For example, in simple day-to-day life, you use Drive, right? So which is offered. So and Teams, Outlook, Gmail. So these are provided by the service providers, right? Microsoft, Google. So they give you application. So you don't need to worry about anything, infrastructure, um, maintenance, software, nothing, coding, nothing. They give you the software, you can use it, and you pay for the software what you use. That's it. So that is nothing but SaaS application. Okay. So here, with its ability to handle high concurrency workload and support for global databases. Concurrency, high concurrency workloads. Okay. So this is ability to handle high concurrency workload and support for global databases. Aurora is well suited for SaaS software as a application that need to serve many users across the different region. Okay. In summary, Amazon Aurora offers the reliability and availability of a commercial database with the simplicity and cost effectiveness of open source database. Its automatic scaling, high performance, and strong security features makes it suitable for variety of applications from small web apps to large enterprise systems. With options like Aurora serverless and global database, Aurora is designed to support applications that require scalability, high availability, and global reach. So this is all about the Aurora. In next video, we will see Aurora database cluster types, guys. Okay, thank you so much.